Okay, I I want to teach you guys how to set up these three plugins: Easy Table of Content, JetPack, and the Inline related post. Okay, so the first thing we are going to be setting up here is Easy Table of Content. When you have a easy table of content, you're going to have something like this. Okay, you can see the table of content. Okay, this will give intro, okay, of all the things, all the informations contained in the main content. Okay, this that's the work. Okay, so if you want to set it up, it's very easy to do. The first thing you have to do is to go to plugin section and click on add plugin. And when you click on add plugin, simply search um, easy table content. This is the plugin. You can see it here. This is it. So you click on install to install the plugin. Then after installing it, you also activate it. Click again to activate. Now after the activation, you can see here, thank you for using an easy table of content. We strive to create the best TOC solution and other. Please support by upgrading. So ignore this. So the next thing you will do is, for this thing, simply click on no first. Okay, now after installing it, you go back to plugins, okay, or you come to settings. When you click on settings and scroll down, you will see this table of content here. But the easiest way to do it is to click on plugins and click on installed plugins. And when you click on installed plugins, when you click on installed plugins, the next thing you do is find the plugin. Okay, you can see here, this is the plugin. So the next thing you do is click on settings. Click on settings here. And once you click on settings, it will bring you to this place. Okay, this is enable support. Leave it on posts and pages. Then scroll down, go to auto insert, leave it on post and pages. Okay, then here you see positions. The positions before first heading, okay, which is default, leave it that way. This show when to leave it like this, leave this on 0 and display header label, show header text above. Okay, leave this way. Table of okay, header label, you leave it on table of content. Header label tag, you leave it like this. Okay, the post title, leave it open. Toggle view, um sorry, toggle view, make sure that you select this. Initial view, leave it open like this. Show as hierarchy, you select this. Okay, decimal inside, smooth scroll, TOC loading JavaScript. Okay, leave it like this. Smooth scroll, leave it like this. TOCAMP, you leave it like this. The width, leave it on auto. And this you can put it on left to right, or you can put it on right to left. But I prefer this. And enable wrapping, no, leave it like this. TOC columns, you can leave it this way. Then title font size, you can leave it this way. Title font width, you can leave it on medium. Font size 95. Okay, percent, leave it like that. Medium 90. Also leave that like that. And theme, you can change the color of the theme: a gray, light blue, black, transparent, custom. I prefer using light blue. So you can select the color you want. Okay. And then when you get to this place, leave this, sorry, Leave this custom theme, leave it like this so that you won't make a mistake unless you want to change any color, link over, and others. Okay, let me change this link over. Let me put it on red. Link visited color. Let me put it on red as well. And the link color, let me use which color? Okay, let me title color. Let me use red. Okay. List style color. Select color. Leave this like this. Okay. So that's for that. Then the advanced lowercase, leave this open like this. Leave all of them open. Don't select. Then here, reverse target. Leave it like this. Then headings, select all this, select all of them like this. Exclude headings, don't select anything. Leave everything like this, leave it like this. There's no much settings here, they're almost already set up. Okay, leave it like this, leave everything. Don't select anything else. Then select the short code, select it. Okay. So that is it. Just leave everything the way it is, apart from the ones that I changed. Then after everything, you click on Save Changes. Let's walk through the second plugin, which is a inline related posts. Okay. So this is how to go about it. Simply go to the plugin section, hover on plugin, and click on install. Click on add plugin, or you click on install plugin, then look over here, you see add plugins. Okay, just click on add plugins and then come to this place, and here you type inline related post. Okay, so when you type this, it's going to bring the plugin, which is this particular one. This is the plugin here. Okay, you click on install, and after installing, you click on activate to activate the plugin so that it will start working. Okay, so now after that, you do this. You can click on settings. Okay, hover on settings and scroll down, you will see inline related post, or you can click on all plugins, installed plugins. And when you click on installed plugins, and then it will take you to bring you to this place. Locate that plugin. You can see the plugin here. You click on settings. Okay, when you click on settings, this is where you set everything. And remember, this is how it's going to be when after setting it up. Okay, you can see this. Also read best dental hygiene. This, and if you scroll down, you continue seeing search. Okay, that's the one. You can see another one here. So after writing your blog post, it automatically enter all this. Okay, insert all these related posts. Okay, you can see all of them. If you scroll down, you see more of it. You can see another one here. Okay, that's how it's going to be after setting up the whole thing. Okay, now let's go back to the settings and get it done. Okay, here you see styles. Tick this. This is active. Once you click on active, once you select this active, that's when it will start functioning. Then this is the test, just like this one. You can see here showing something like saying also read. Scroll up. Okay, you can see the test here saying also read. So this is where you enter the test that will be displaying from here. This also read. Okay, this test here. This is where you select it. This is where you write it. Okay. You can leave it read or also read. Okay. Leave it that way. Then the second one here is the uh, the theme. So the theme is okay like this. Leave it this way. Then the initial opacity. Leave it this way. Then the CSS margin top. Leave it on put one. Type one here. Okay, CSS margin button. Okay, sorry. Leave this on 0. Leave this on 0. You leave this on 1. Okay, don't change anything. Related text color. Okay, this is where you select the color you want it to be. Okay, you can click on this and select the background, how you want it to appear. I myself am going to select this. Okay, let me say I'm going to select this. Okay, that's how it's going. Then post title color, black dark. Leave it this way. Okay. Then this one is going to ask for box background color. Okay, select something like this. You can select another color that you like. I'm going to select this. Okay. So now border color, I'm going to leave this like this. Then it's going to ask for another thing, asking display border shadow. Leave that like this. Don't tick anything. Display powered by text and show some love. Don't select anything. Now read time preview. This is how it's going to look like, and I think this is not looking nice. This is not looking nice. This is not looking nice. Let's change it. Let me change this to black. Okay, this is how it's going to look like now. Let me change it again. I'm looking for a color that is better. Okay, let me use orange. Then preview. Also read. This is still not looking nice. Let's just change the background color to another color that looks better. Okay. Let me use this and then change this one to another color, something like white or green. Okay, I think it looks better like this. Then this one, let's change this to something better. Okay, or let's just use black. So this is how it's going to look like. Okay, so now if you scroll down, you're going to, this place, insert in already existing post. Select this. How many boxes per single post? This is where you select how many boxes per single post. Thread is okay. Only post for last. Leave this on 0. Leave this. Make this 300. Okay, make this 300. Or you can simply type 300. Make it 300 and leave this way. Then insert. Okay, leave this like this. Don't select anything. Leave this one. And don't select anything. Use on post. Select on use on post. And this place using categories and tags. Leave it that way. Do follow blank. Leave it that way. In select this. Okay, so once you are done with that, then what you do is click on save. And once you click on save, then if you go to our content after saving, we go back to our content and open our content. Let's know if it has started working. Okay, you can see it here. You can see it. Also read this. That's nice. If you scroll down again, you're going to see more of it. This is another one. Okay, scroll more, scroll more. This is another one, and I think this is not the background color is not looking nice. So we'll have to change the background color to another color. I'm going to change it to, let me find a color that is better. Okay, I'm going to change it to this and change the text title color, change it to another color. I'm going to change it to white. Okay, then this one, I'm going to change it to something red. Okay, I think is going to be better like this, or something yellow. Yeah, I think this is better. This is okay now. You save it. So that particular, this side is just to select the colors how you want the post to be. And now if you click and check our content, okay, you can see it here. You can see that it has reflected. This is how it's going to look like. Okay, this is it. So now you no longer need to be inserting internal links yourself. It's going to start linking by doing it automatically. So I think that is okay. Let's click on one of these to know where it will take us to. You can see that it will take us to a similar post. Okay, so that is it for that. And for the other one, which is Jetpack. So let's do for that one. Let's check that one to know how. Let's move on plugins. So after activating Jetpack, you will see something like this. Okay, it says start with Jetpack for free. Okay, supercharge your WordPress site with powerful security speed. So simply click on supercharge site. Okay, here they will ask you to enter your email. Okay, you put your email, and when you put your email, you click on continue, or you can simply click on continue with email. When you click continue with email, you select the email which you are using. Okay, here it will ask for instance. Google will allow WordPress to access this info about you. Click on continue. Okay, here you can see that it's loading. And finally, okay, they will send code. Enter the code and click on verify. Okay, and you can see I've verified it. Now let's connect your account. Okay, so what you do here is click on connect account. See that I've connected my Jetpack. Okay, you can see it here. This is where it will monitor the views coming to my site, the visitors, the likes, comments, and other things. Okay, this is how it looks like. Okay, that's for that, and I think this will be the end of the tutorial video. And once you follow up all these things, set your own up. That's all, and you are ready.